When I hear say this small question fail people for exam, I no happy at all. So if you dey do any form of mathematics for any school wey dey, for any country wey dey, abeg take this particular question very seriously. This question will come from quadratic equation, but no be that type wey dey use formula method, factorization, all those things. Na another dimension of quadratic equation. Make I show you wetin you go do. Now, solution. If they say make you find the sum and product of roots, when you hear sum and product of root, two formula dey. One formula for sum of root, the other one na for product of root. Make I state am. Wait, make I state am first. Now, sum of root, I go take time do this one, make you understand. Sum of root. But if na the first time wey dey come for this particular channel, you never hit the subscribe button, consider hit subscribe. Subscribe button, you go hit am, you no go collect anything from your account. Na just to support me, make I dey do more video for now. Now, why you dey stress me now? Why you dey stress me? I hit the subscribe button now. If you don't hit the subscribe button, you go see that bell icon. Turn that bell icon. So anytime I upload new video, now you go first receive am. I go live for you. Oh yeah, now run am. So sum of root equal to alpha plus beta. So now use this thing like this, arrow like this. Sum of alpha plus beta equal to minus b over a. This thing like this, now be the formula for sum of root. That's a simple reach. This symbol na alpha, this one for beta, minus b over a. Very simple. If you talk about product of root is still simple. Now alpha times beta, you know, so now times we bring two things together like this. Now c over a equal to c over a. Now be the formula for product of root. Very simple. Now, because say make you find this guy. How I want to find when they give you question with like this, when they even look like quadratic. What you go do? First of all, organize this question. Use this t, multiply by this t. When you finish, use the same t, multiply by this one. When you finish, you go know how you go do the other. I'll make you do it step by step. T times t now waiting. T squared abi. T times minus 1 and minus t equal to this particular 3. Now, this one will still look like quadratic because we never arrange them. How we want to arrange them? When we rearrange, t squared now minus t. Carry this 3, come this side, 1 minus 3 equal to 0. Now, as you don't get this one like this, you never get the final answer. Find the coefficient of this thing. If you don't know which be coefficient, I'll show you where this thing they come out from. You get what you call the general form of quadratic equation. Now be ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. This thing now be the general form of quadratic equation. Now imagine say they can't carry this one like t squared minus t minus 3 equal to 0. Make I do something. Watch. I want to do it you will make you understand. Just as you say this t, you know say a variable now. Just as you say na x e be. As you say this other t na x e be. Make things clear for you now. I want to show you. If you compare this thing together, you know say this one na s square. What is there behind this s square? Now be the coefficient of that s square. Now be a for this one. So a here will be equal to. What is the coefficient of this one? Now 1. People don't know say now 1. Now you go suppose there. If you don't see anything, 1 there no be 0. The coefficient of this s squared now 1. It's just I compare these two. May compare the second one. This one na x. The coefficient of this x now b. The coefficient of this x now minus 1 because now minus 1. Now they don't be only ordinary minus. So your b now can become minus 1. Your c now be the only two way. If now plus 3, now be say your c now plus 3. If now minus 3, now minus 3. Now be your c. Now so if you see when you want to solve using quadratic formula, when they bring all this thing a equal to. Now here I come from this general form. This thing they call them the general form of quadratic equation. Now here I feel they explain everything well. They teach you what you understand. The general form of quadratic equation. Now later I carry get the coefficient of these things where you see a, b, c. Notice say b and a, all those things c, then they are they get the point now. So but then this time you know say no be x we use now t now the same thing. The coefficient of this t squared now waiting now 1. So that means your a now 1. The coefficient of this particular t now waiting a minus 1. So your b now minus 1. If you compare them with this particular guy, then your c, you know, say now waiting now minus 3. So what you can do, carry these things, go plug inside the formula, don't get the answer. See how minus there. Your b are waiting, your b now minus 1. Minus 1 divided by your a now waiting now 1. So this is a minus times minus now plus. And 1 divided by 1 now 1. That will be the final answer for sum of roots. What about product of fruit? Product of fruit no hard though. Just go back to the formula. C, what will be your C? Now minus 3. Just say minus 3 divided by what will be your A? Your A now 1. 1. So minus 3 divided by 1 now minus 3. Now will be the answer for product of fruit. You don't say I don't take time. Simplify this particular thing step by step. I don't even waste your time. Myself, I don't even waste my time because I know say I don't teach you where you understand. If this thing sweet you, I just for you to just hit that share button. Go put am for group chat where you dey, or go share am for your page if you know dey for group chat. Make people come learn now. If e no dey useful to you, you go dey useful. If you learn now to make people also enjoy am, abeg share this particular video and drop for comment section say you too much. If you sabi do another one, just mention the topic wey you wan do. If it be physics, if it be chemistry, I go run am for you. Drop the topic for comment section. Don't forget say you go hit the like button because now you go make the video go reach other people, make them follow like. If you don't subscribe, subscribe. If you don't subscribe before, no subscribe again. If you don't hit the subscribe button. Until next time, I will see you. If you want join our Telegram group deal, WhatsApp channel deal, you go follow the link. Quiz they happen every time. Improve yourself, help yourself. Until next time, I will see you. One-on-one section with the active. Any country where they deliver. Peace.